I made a quick pros and cons list, and I also put that on the website, but I'll go ahead and go through that really quick with you. The first is simple assembly. This could not be any easier. Ease of use. If you just want to keep it really basic and you want to throw in a small amount of charcoal and just add a little bit as you cook, it's really easy to use, even for a beginner. It's lightweight and portable, and this is one of my favorite features of this smoker. Durability. As long as you handle it with care, it's going to be durable and last for a long time. Also, keep it generally clean and out of the rain. Versatility. You can do so many things with this. Not only can you do your traditional hot cooks or hot smokes, you can also raise the pan and you can use it as a grill when you're out camping. I'll link that video that I did as a grilling method. The affordability just has to be one of my favorite features of this smoker. You can always pick it up for under $100, but sometimes it can go on sale for as low as half of that price. Unfortunately, every smoker has its cons, and this one has a couple of glaring ones. No adjustable intake vent is a real problem for this smoker, which I mentioned earlier. Again, as long as you compensate for that with your technique, you'll be fine. Small charcoal capacity. This charcoal smoker only can hold about 8 pounds of charcoal briquettes. That's okay if you're only planning on doing 6 hours of cooking, but much more than that, that's going to be an issue. And then the lack of insulation. Depending on what you're smoking and what time of year, this might or might not be a problem for you, but a simple welding blanket or even a Big Chief blanket will easily go around this thing and increase the thermal mass of the smoker. Also, consider putting lava rocks inside of the water pan, and that will increase the thermal mass also. Once they get hot, it really makes the smoker retain heat better, and also when you open and close the lid real quick, it recovers temperature faster. Thanks for watching, and happy smoking!